been obsessed with doing my nails lately, and I really wanted to try using a solid nail glue gel. There are so many brands available. I've seen them on TikTok and YouTube, but I really wanted to try this one. I'm using my favorite nails, my BtArtbox gel nails. If you follow me on TikTok, or if you know me on Facebook, anywhere else, these nails are my babies. I love them. I usually use the pink, but I had clear, so that's what I'm using today, and I'm going to be applying them using the gel. But I want to start by prepping my nails, so I'm going to use this Cuticle Eliminator. I love this stuff. I've had this for ages. It's really easy to use. You just put it around your cuticle area, and then you let it sit for about, I think it says 30 seconds or 45 seconds, and then you can use a cuticle pusher and just gently push your cuticles back, and you'll see the skin and all the crusties coming off. And then I just wipe it off and wash my hands, and that's it. It's really great if you are a beginner and if you don't want to use nippers and things like that. It's just awesome for cleaning up the cuticle area, and it helps loosen up the skin to push it back. So I really love this stuff. And again, I've been using it for years, so it definitely works for me. And I just feel like it's just an easy method to quickly get this area, prepped and ready. It's also very satisfying to watch. So, yeah, I'm going to speed it up a little bit, but yeah, the process is very, very, very straight to the point. So because this part of the video is sped up, it looks like I'm literally just jabbing myself with this cuticle pusher. I promise you I am not. I'm definitely going slow and very gentle. But as you can see, it definitely works. The Cuticle Eliminator really helps just eliminate and soften up all of that, skin and dead skin and everything around that area. It just makes it super easy to remove, the cuticle crusties, as Nail Couture used to say. It really does. And if you don't want to get into drills, if you don't want to use nippers and all that stuff, like, just doing this makes a huge difference. I love just getting my little cuticle pusher and pushing my cuticles back. Usually as a part of my natural nail routine, I would use it and oil my cuticles when I was done. You have to wash this stuff off. It almost smells like bleach, but yeah, you want to wash it off, and I use a nail brush and scrub my hands with it when I'm done, and it just looks good and it feels good. Super satisfying to do. It helps with the adhesion of your extensions. If you're using extensions, it makes them look more natural. It's just a good, common practice for taking care of your hands, even if you're not using any type of extension. Like, I highly suggest men, women, everyone get into the habit of just like pushing back your cuticles, cleaning that area up, and making it look good. So this is the finished product. They look really good. Don't mind the skin. I'm a crafter. I'm always cleaning something. My hands are gonna look rough when they want to look rough, but I'm just gonna clean up the area. And right now what I'm doing is just roughing up my nails a little bit so that the tips can have something to grip onto. My nails, because I wear tips anyway now, I feel like I don't need to do much of this, but I still do it very lightly. I don't want to thin my nails out. And I'm going to use some acetone to clean it. So now I'm sizing my tips just to make sure they all fit my nails. I'm going to speed through this part. Also, obviously, nobody wants to see this, but I do have to say the BtArtbox, once again, their sizes for their thumbs leave me so shook, because when it comes to press-ons or any nail extensions, gel X, a lot of times you need a 00, and even sometimes, depending on the shape, they don't fit. But BtArtbox nails, they fit my wide thumbs. So if you have wide thumbs, BtArtbox, that's they got you. So this is the moment that I've been waiting for. I could not wait to get my hands on this solid nail glue gel. I've seen it on TikTok, seen YouTube videos about it, but I feel like it's not as popular as it should be for how good it works, for how easy it is to use and for the way it really just changes the way you use Gel X nails, I don't think it has the popularity it deserves. There are so many brands of this. I think the first time I saw it was on Nail Couture. I think he did a reel, and it was over a year ago. And I didn't think anything of it, but then I got a message from my friend who showed me another TikTok about it, and I said I have to have this. I have to try it. Especially because I'm so obsessed with my BtArtbox nails, but sometimes using the glue is very difficult. This has like a putty consistency. It's not like anything that I've ever worked with before. Like, I was more excited about this than I can ever remember being. I haven't been this excited for a product since Polygel first came out. And when Polygel came out, I was obsessed for almost 3 years. This stuff just, when you look at it, it's like putty. Not slime, but like putty, in that it's very thick and you can move it around, but it also just kind of keeps its form. You can literally roll it around in your hand and see that it doesn't stick to anything but, I guess the nail. And it just eliminates so many of the issues that happen with doing soft gel nails. You don't have to worry about the bubbles. You can get spillage, obviously, if you use way too much, but seriously, it's almost impossible to have cuticle flooding and bubbles. It's easier to cure your nails with this because it's not moving around the whole time. Like, there are just so many pluses to using this type of glue, and I couldn't wait to try it on my own hands after seeing so many video reviews about it, and I just couldn't wait. Anywho, I started by using the dehydrator, and then I put the primer on. Let's just see. And then I just went ahead and scooped it out. So I'm gonna let you guys see without the voiceover, because my initial response was very raw. I was shook. I actually didn't get to finish my nails. I had to stop and like pull myself together because I was just blown away by how well this works. And I feel like you don't need a lot of this, like a little bead. And I'm going to, it's very, very thick. So I'm gonna put it on here and spread it out. I don't want to get any bubbles. Guys, I feel like because this is like this consistency, you can get bubbles, but this stuff is making these press-ons. And what I mean by that is, generally, oh my god. Oh my god. This stuff makes this into a press-on. What? Stop playing with me. I haven't even cured this yet. I'm shook. What? Let me put this light on really quick. Oh my god, like, you can adjust it. You can make sure that your nails are perfect before you put them in the lamp. What? all the bubbles out. Oh, baby. Let me turn this on. Hold on, my light. Oh, baby, I'm shook. What? Oh, my God. Okay, let's go to the next nail. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to make it into like a, trying not to stretch it too much. I want to get it out as a bead so I don't have a bunch of bubbles. But I didn't get any bubbles in the last one. Like, do you see this? I'm shook. And you don't need a lot. Gel on there, and then I don't even have to do all this maneuvering. You literally just put it on your nail. This makes, these are press-on nails now. Like, you literally press them on. They're on there. They're not going anywhere. Do you see this? Do you see this? Ah! I am shook. This is easy. I can't. I can't. Why hasn't this always just been like a thing? As you can see, I was completely unhinged. I could not, and I still cannot believe how amazingly just simple the solid nail glue gel makes applying gel X nails or nail extensions, full cover nails. It just takes all of every problem that I usually would have with putting these nails on with the glue. The solid nail glue gel just completely eliminated. I could not believe it. I had to file this nail down on the side just to make sure it fit perfectly. But other than that, I could not be happier. Like, even with these nails on my hands right now, I cannot believe how easy the solid nail glue gel works. I just can't. It's too much. Gel X nails are so satisfying to apply, but with this solid nail glue gel, it's even more satisfying because you put it on, you watch the glue spread, and it just stays there. It just stays there. Like, I can't. I do want to say that I know you're not supposed to touch these gel products with your bare hands. I've never had an allergic reaction, but for the safety of anyone watching this, I'm not a professional. I am a nail enthusiast, And you should definitely not touch these. You can have allergic reaction. Also, if you're using this on someone else, sanitary reasons. But I touch it, and I did touch it, and it is definitely not recommended. I would suggest wearing gloves and not getting any of this on your skin, because you can definitely have an allergic reaction. So I just wanted to add that disclaimer in case anyone's watching and cringing. So there you go. Love how satisfying working with this solid nail glue gel is. It's just, I love it. I do want to also add that these little mini LED UV lamps are for flash curing only. So after this, I do a full cure in my full-sized UV lamp, just to make sure that it's fully cured and there's no problems there. But other than that, I have no complaints. I am forever changed. I love this gel. Like, this is my new thing. This is my new go-to. Absolutely obsessed with it. It's awesome. Like, I literally cannot. Like, I can't. It's just, it's too much. So that is it. I am very satisfied with the results. Have you tried the solid nail glue gel yet? Did you try another brand? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Have you done anything else with solid nail glue? I know people use it for applying their gemstones, which I think that's awesome. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. Definitely comment, let me know that you watched. And I will be back next time. Check the link in my description. I should be leaving some links to the products and also discounts. Talk to you later. Bye.